Hi, let's play a game. Can you spot the octopus in this picture? And now a little more difficult. Can you spot the octopus in this picture? That was quite a challenge. These octopuses are good at hiding because they can change their colors in just a few seconds. But how is it possible that animals are able to do such tricks? Why don't all animals do this? Let's start at the beginning. These animals got these color-changing abilities from a process called evolution. Think about a group of fish. You will see they are all a little different because they all have different traits. Some fish can stay warm in freezing waters, others have better eyes. Some can swim quicker and others have interesting colors for potential mates. These traits are important because they help the animal stay alive. In the end, the animal with the best traits survive. For example, if it's cold, the fish that can stay warm wins. They make babies that get these traits too. Now, this type of fish gets the ability to stay warm. The same thing happened with color changing. Many animals need to hide from predators. If they can hide better, they survive better. So, they have evolved ways to do this. Some animals evolved a permanent disguise, like these insects that look like leaves. Because they blend in well with the plants, it is difficult for predators to spot them. But sometimes this isn't enough. When the animal goes to a different environment, their look won't hide them anymore. So some animals, like the octopus, evolve disguises that are more flexible. They can change their look depending on the environment they are in. This is very useful because it means they can hide in different surroundings. Look at this one. Its blue color changes in 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. See how it looks like a rock? Now you must be thinking, how do they do that? Under their skin, octopuses have tiny pockets, like little balloons, and they are filled with color. These pockets are called chromatophores. The octopus can open and close the pockets using little muscles. So when the octopus moves these muscles, the color of its skin changes. And it works really well. The octopus can hide from predators or sneak up on prey from behind. But if this is so amazing, why don't all animals do this? Scientists started to wonder, there must be a catch. Moving your muscles takes energy, just like it takes energy for us to run, jump, or wave our arms. And if changing color uses muscles, it might cost a lot of energy. So their question was, how much energy does it cost an octopus to change its color? To answer this question, they looked at little pieces of octopus skin. By shining a blue light on it, they activated the muscles so that the pockets opened and the color of the skin changed. Then, the scientists looked at how much energy it takes the skin to do this. Energy is hard to measure, so what did they do? They measured how much oxygen the skin used. See it like this. When you run up the stairs, do you notice you start breathing more heavily too? That is because you need more oxygen for your muscles to pick up the hard work. The same goes for the muscles of the octopus skin. If they change color, the muscles move and use more oxygen. So to measure the energy, they measured how much oxygen the skin used. These scientists found that changing the color of its skin costs the octopus a lot of energy. To compare, they used the same amount of energy to keep the rest of their body working, including their heart, brain, and all the other organs. So this means that changing colors and staying disguised for a long time is really hard for them to do. This study helps us better understand octopuses. The fact that octopuses evolved color-changing skin, even though it takes a lot of energy, means that it's very important to them. And it is. They always use it for hiding and for hunting. But because it is tiring, they only use it when needed. Now we know why octopuses often live in dens and are active at night. That way, they don't have to change their colors so often. We now also know why octopuses that move to the deep sea do not change color anymore. There it is so dark, hiding is not necessary. And on top of that, this study helped scientists understand why not all animals evolved this amazing trait. A shark already spends a lot of energy swimming after its prey. You try swimming that fast. They would have no energy left to change the color of their skin. That's a lot of work, even for a big fish. What does this mean for our octopus friend here at the zoo? Octopuses enjoy their peace. They do not like uninvited guests. So if you see one changing color, it may mean that he is stressed and feels the need to hide. It would be kind to take a step back from the glass. Let's also think about the octopuses that live in the wild. Scientists agree. We are making it difficult for color-changing animals to keep hiding because we change the places they live in. We humans have a big effect on the earth. A lot of our trash ends up in the ocean. And on top of that, our cars, planes and factories make the temperature of the oceans higher every year. This affects all animals living in it, like the octopus. If we change their homes, they may not be able to hide so well anymore. They will have to find new disguises, but as we know, this is very difficult to do. So, we should take better care of our oceans. Tiny choices for us can mean big trouble for wildlife. Do it for our friend the octopus.